GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory water in fuel sensor. Offering the quality, reliability, and durability of GMOE. Manufactured to GMOE specification for fit, form, and function. An AC Delco GM original equipment water in fuel sensor sends an electrical signal to the engine control unit, ECU, and/or dashboard lamp when water is detected in the vehicle's fuel supply. An AC Delco GMOE water in fuel sensor is a GM recommended replacement for your vehicle's original components. These original equipment sensors have been manufactured to fit your GM vehicle, providing the same performance, durability, and service life you expect from General Motors. Top reviews from the United States. GM quality. This item arrived on time and was easy to install. My diesel is running perfectly and was well worth the price.